We are settled at the house. I want to apologize for looking crazy, but it's just been one of those days. We've been nonstop going the entire day. Once we got back from Atlanta, we unloaded the car and then we had to do like a quick round at Walmart. We needed like a trash can, basic things. And then I had to go to Target. I'm gonna try to bring you guys along with me throughout as much of this as I can. Honestly, so far being in this house has been very overwhelming. There's just a lot we haven't unpacked. We're bringing more stuff in like every day. I'm sure you can see behind me, there's like stuff everywhere. So there's just a lot for us to do. But I'm gonna bring you guys along. It's gonna be a journey, it's gonna be a process. But let me just show you at least what I got from Target. How about that? Okay, so from Target we did some groceries and ooh, fall. I'm gonna take everything out of the bag, so please hold.
Okay. All
right, guys, so this is what I got from Target. I typically only get like pantry items and snacks from Target. Sometimes I'll get their organic meat. I really like the meat from Target. But like produce and stuff, produce and meat, I usually do through Whole Foods. So we got some salad mix, dried cranberries for the salad, got some lemons, green grapes for my husband loves green grapes. Got some turkey. This is turkey. This is bacon. Got some string cheese, some English muffins. I really like these, super yummy. Got this for coffee. Got a couple of things of mac and cheese, some bagels. We really like these bagels. Feta cheese. I love this on my salad. Got some cream cheese for the bagels. Laughing Cow cheese. Just like a nice little snack, you know. A bag of cheese. We got some turkey sausage, honey buns, basically like a bunch of junk, honestly. Sun chips. I think we were hungry while we were there, so I did pick up a pack of chicken and a pack of ground beef. I wanted to get some more meat, but like I said, I'm probably gonna place a Whole Foods order and get the stuff that we didn't get. Triscuits with these and this for like snack at lunch, and then some cereal. My husband needed this for our car. He's gonna be washing the car tomorrow. Got some new AirPods. My mom got me my last pair, and well, I lost them. So finally got a new pair. Got a couple glasses I got a new coffee machine, which I'm gonna show you guys in a second. And then we got these lights. So these string lights are gonna be for our little outdoor patio area. So we got these. This mat is also for my new coffee maker, so I'll show you guys that in just a sec. So we are going to attempt to put these lights up here along this little outdoor area. So I had to get my bug spray because these mosquitoes do not play about me. Like, they really want the smoke. So got to load up on this. Boys, don't go too far. Rocco, come back. Don't go too far. See, they like to creep off into the distance. Like, no, get back here. Y'all are not outdoor dogs. We just hung them up, so now let's see the reveal of the lights. I'm ready. Hold on. Okay, ready. Oh my god, love it. Okay, so you guys, this remote allows us to control it and dim it. Oh my god. Are you obsessed?
I love it.
Okay, so this is the coffee machine that I bought. So sorry,
I thought you already did that video.
No, I've been helping you with the damn lights. So I got a Nespresso Next Next. I'm completely brand new to this, so I don't even know if I said that name right, but super excited to have an espresso machine. I've had Keurigs, I've just really had them all, honestly. So this is brand new to me. I'm super excited to have this and try it out. Yeah, I don't really know what to expect. So if you guys have tried this, let me know. What do I need to know about this? What are the good flavors, whatever. But yeah, I'm gonna set up my little coffee station. So no more Starbucks iced coffee. I have $5 a bottle, made the investment, and here we are. Hey guys, we just finished the curtains. I don't know what it is about curtains, but it's always such a struggle for us. Like, but they're up, we did it. Shout out to my husband. Here they are. So I wanted them to be a little bit higher. I got the longest ones that they had, but they wouldn't have been long enough if we kept them up, but I'm happy with how they look. I just put a steamer in my Amazon cart so that we can get these wrinkles out, but I also want to get some little curtain hold back thingers. What are they called? Curtain hangers? Curtain holders? I don't know. But this is kind of like the wide view of it. I think once the wrinkles are out, they look a lot better, but definitely gonna serve the purpose. We don't have this super dark window. It's so dark out there, so it's nice to have this at nighttime, and then also during the day, you know, in the summertime it gets warm. So curtains, check. Thank you, babe. Next thing I'm gonna do is unbox my Nespresso machine so that we have coffee in the morning. I hate the idea of unboxing something when we have so much already to put away, but I think we agreed that coffee is gonna be important in the morning. Yeah? So my husband's gonna work on putting away some of the kitchen stuff while I unbox this Nespresso. So let's get into it. Here's the little manual that it comes with. So this looks like the little pods that it comes with. I think it comes with like a sample of all 11 capsules of roast and ground coffee, 1 capsule of decaf and ground coffee. So we'll take a look at these. The little box opens down, super cute and convenient. placemat to kind of serve as like my coffee station. So we're gonna set this up right here. A little $10 off your first coffee order. So this is ordering the pods. Wow, that's a lot. That's a lot of. Your machine makes 5 cup sizes. 1.35 ounces, which is espresso. You can do double espresso. Gran Lungo coffee, which is 7.77 ounces, and then Alto, which is 14 ounces. Closed machine head, place container of at least 12.5 ounces. Under spout. Oh, okay, I got it. All right, let's do it. So I gotta fill the water. The water. I don't see a fill line on here, so I'm not sure how full I'm supposed to do it. How do you turn it on, fam? All right, guys, so I'm trying this for the first time, so I'm gonna turn it on. And out of these, I think I'm gonna use this espresso one, which is this one. So let's open it up or unlock. Okay, I think that goes right there, I think. Close, lock. I have no idea if I did that right, so let's see. Yay! I ordered espresso cups from Amazon, so I'll have the real deal here soon. Ooh, it smells so good. All right, so I got my husband's cup here. I did just some ice, almond milk. I'm gonna put some of this caramel in for him. But I guess let's just pour this in first. I'm excited. So it wasn't that much. I might need to brew some more. I'm gonna mix it up 1 second. Okay, so I'm gonna do a double for me, which I think is this one. I actually ended up doing 2 for my husband because 1 wasn't enough for this cup. Okay, so I just poured my double espresso shot and it looks delicious. Let's taste it. Mmm. It's delicious. Love it.